So, hello everyone, I'm Jordan Ietri, CEO and co-founder of Revomon. We are here as a silver sponsor of the event, so I would like first to thank you, TrustCon, for all the organization, but as well, Sher Amat, Amin Belkacemi, sorry for the name, but this is the second time I'm here, so a bit practicing as well. So, let's get started with the Revomon presentation. It's all about three keywords. First, metaverse, play to earn, and virtual reality. So, in this room, have you ever heard about these words? Please raise your hand, if yes. Yeah? Not so many people, I can see. So, let me define with my own words what are these three keywords. So, play to earn is a concept where players can be rewarded with financial incentives. Virtual reality is a simulated and immersive world, and metaverse is a virtual world where players can connect together, socialize, and just discuss. So Revomon stands for Revolution Monsters. So it's a collectible monster game on blockchain. We are a metaverse, so where players can connect, meet, socialize together, and play together. And it's a collectible monster game where players truly own what they collect. So thanks to blockchain technology. Basically, in Revomon, you can collect monsters, you can build your team, you can evolve your Revomon, so the little creatures you will see a bit later. It's a semi-open world. So you have several features such as PvP, player versus players, clans, where you can meet like players and build your own clans to progress in the game. You have also an in-game marketplace, and you have several quests in order to progress in the game. Here you can see a small evolution, level 1, stage 1 to 3. So now the question you can ask yourself is the following one. Is virtual reality a good market to enter? And the answer is yes. I will show you why with some metrics. Here you can see that starting from 2017, this market is booming, as the crypto are. We can see also that starting from last year, even more due to the COVID crisis. Why? Because people were alone and tried to connect each other with several other players. We can see also that the forecast shows that by 2024, we will hit 2.4 billion revenue generated in this VR industry. So several metrics that say that shows that the revenue and the number of users keep growing year after year. We can also see that 170 million users are worldwide using the VR devices. And also another metric I can give you is that from 2018 to 2022, we will see the demand for the Oculus Quest standalone devices multiplied by 16. So it also shows in some way that the market adoption about the VR industry is quite progressing well. And all these metrics convinced us to become and to strengthen our leader position in the collectible monster game industry based on virtual reality. So now let's see some metrics about Revomon. So it's an already live game published on SideQuest. SideQuest, as you can see the logo below, is one of our partners, a key partner, because they are a close collaboration with Oculus to create AppLab. It's an integrated marketplace in the device, the Oculus device. So today we have 20,000 downloads, a bit more than 65,000 views, and we have collected 300 reviews, giving us 4 stars on 5. Since March 2021, We gathered 15,000 holders on both blockchain because our token is cross-chain. We have Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum blockchain. We raised $1.8 million with including 2 VC, so BSC Pad, that's the launch pad where we did our IDO for the token, and Helvetic Capital, it's an Australian company that is still advising us on the different progress of the project. And today we gather 25,000 members with the combination of Discord and Telegram. So how the idea of Revomon came? Basically, with 3 pillars. We needed to first provide something different on the current gaming industry. So a disruptive product. So first, we thought about the play to earn. So NFT, non-fungible token, and rewards in order to give incentives to players. So it's where the quotation come. This quote, come, your entertainment becomes a source of income. So basically, that's what we provide to our players. Second, the DAO, so decentralized autonomous organization that push the community to become a community-driven model. So where the players can take some decisions about the game evolution. It's really important nowadays. And the third pillar is ownership. It's a world, a game where players truly own what they collect. And you will see also this is key in the project development. So first, play to earn, NFT and rewards. Basically, you are a tamer in the Revomon world, and you can catch several creators, Revomon. Once you code a Revomon, you can turn it into an NFT. So you have here the design of our NFT cards, and each design has its own rarity. And that's how the players can trade them for a low or high price. That's also how the player in the game can buy an NFT and integrate the Revomon in its team in order to be more powerful. The DAO, so we aim to be a disruptive game where players are put in the center of the attention, so that's key. So we would like that players submit requests on what they want, and depending on the priorities of the demands of the, let's say, the majority of votes, we will prioritize and process the requests. So we stay flexible, and this is where our token Revo has another utility. Each Revo equals 1 vote. The ownership, so what we have to keep in mind here is there are a lot of gamers spending huge amount of time to find, that rare sword or a really rare treasure in the game, or a legendary Revomon. So they have to be the unique owner of them. So the mon that they have caught need to belong to them. And giving them the chance to trade the item for real money, so is creating value in addition to entertainment. You have the gamer that who wants to be relaxed on a game and also making some profits. So company revenue is generated through 2 sources at the moment. So selling NFT, booster packs, and collector NFTs, and also collecting fees on the marketplace with the trades and transfers by users. Here you can see some screenshots. You have the menu. You have here inventory with all the wearables because you can also trade the cosmetics. And here a screenshot on a player catching a Revomon. I'll be a bit quicker. Here you can see an influencer. A lot of YouTubers are recording themselves playing the game. So he has a goal. It's the fire starter in the Revomon world, and then the card in NFT. So several partnerships. I will be really brief here. Revomon is is a registered company at Dubai, at DMCC authority. It's quite new, 2 months old. They partnered with CV Labs to empower the crypto industry and to make Dubai a crypto nation. Here, a quick overview of the team. And well, I will gladly invite you to our stand. We have still Oculus Quest at your disposal to test the game and to ask more questions if you have. Thank you.